Well, here we are in not so sunny downtown Saskatoon with my head on fire from some new research that I came across from Michael Persinger, who's someone that I've been following for a long time, but I hadn't found this little trove of papers that was kept by one of his associates and then made available online. Persinger was a controversial researcher. He was studying low-intensity transcranial magnetic stimulation, and he didn't really have a huge budget by the looks of things, Laurentian University, but he was pioneering some very, very amazing findings. So they basically used a wood block, an actual blockhead for the model of the human head, and tested to see whether these very low intensity magnetic pulses or electromagnetic frequencies would penetrate into the wood. And they found that, yes, it did, as expected, but we like to have results that we can validate and replicate. So you fast forward now to some new research that I came across out of Australia showing basically the same idea, but now we're using real mouse neurons. And there's also new research showing how incredibly complex the brain is. And I've been using Neuroflow, or what I call Earth Pulse. I call it Earth Pulse because the transitional brainwave state between sleep and wakefulness, between theta and alpha, matches a very specific resonant earth frequency known as the Schumann resonance, or theta. But as our science get better, we're able to validate what people intuitively understood or were researching 20 or 30 years ago. Michael Persinger died in 2015, sadly, but his legacy lives on in Neuroflow. And finally, his insights and intuitive way of approaching science are being validated. He's very similar to people like Einstein and Tesla in that a lot of what occurred inside his head. It had never been really thought of before or in that way. And the implications are profound.